Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nicole Howerton, and you can push through. I'm an empowerment healer and motivator. I thank you for being here as I share my journey with you. All my life, I've lived a desire to support and to heal others, and to support them in their life goals. In 2001, I completed my physical therapy degree. I was on target for my license until my back went out. I was in a hospital for a week, possibly experiencing the most extreme pain I had ever felt in my life. What was I to do? Where was I to go from now? So then, about 13 years passed, and each year involved hospital visits, weeks in and out, extreme pain. I can remember times just lying in my bed, the nerve just tingling and burning, and then the sensation unbearable. And I could just sit there and pray because I couldn't get up. And I could just ask God just to stop this, just to end it. Taking care of myself was an effort. Imagine not being able to pull up your socks, as my daughter would have to help me in doing this. Pain meds were offered to me, yet provided no support. Where was I to go? What was I to do? So it was from this point where my journey turned, and I changed careers. And I changed my level of support, where I can empower others in their careers, in their healing, in other forms. And I'm just so grateful for that, because through that journey, I met dear and powerful friends. Just thinking about it is just, when you have someone who cares for you more than you think, it's really precious. So they introduced alternative solutions to me. So what I discovered was how I can empower my health, how I can help myself to become new and brand new. And through that, I discovered natural solutions, essential oils that helped me to become whole. Now, can you imagine this when you can get up and you can move with ease? I'm in heels. Okay. I don't have pain, I'm free. I empowered myself, and I created empowered lifestyle essentials for that reason, where we can care for you, we can care for your families. When they feel they have no other option, there is another option, and I'm here to relay that. Because my mission is to empower the world, where they can support their overall well-being, where they can live a life that's uninhibited. No one should have to suffer. It's not necessary. God didn't have it to be, and that's why I'm here. Thank you.